I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why I check cash roll, yeah, and I need my ass. Why I check cash roll, yeah, and I need my money line. Why I check cash roll, yeah, and I need my money line. Why I check cash roll, yeah, and I need my money line. Watch out for those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain, I live inside my mind. Out of space and out of sight, you need me in my line. Need no face, don't need no phonies, no. Need no snakes, no only homies, down for show. On go. Get a book and get the front end, we load up and roll. I got kids, yeah, I got staff, I make a little need more. I sell records, you sell packs, not on my level, no.
What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back with another video. I wanted to do this dope review and on feet over the Air Jordan 5 top threes. I really am digging this Jordan 5. I'm not a big fan of Jordan 5s, but this one right here really caught my attention. Of course, it has very loud colors. It has the top 3 OG colorways we have seen in the Jordan 5 silhouette. So it's a no-brainer for me to go and cop these, man. But before we get into this video right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now if you are new to the channel and smash the notification bell so you get notified when your boy drops these videos for you guys go live. Anything that happens, you will get notified by hitting that notification bell, man. And please smash the like button right now. Let's get this video up to 300 likes. I know you guys already seen the on feet portion over these things. I was thinking I should do a how to lace video over the Jordan 5. I think I did the Jordan 1s, I did the Jordan 3s, I did the Jordan 5s, and the 11s. I think I need to go ahead and finish the whole Jordan line, at least all the way up to the 14s, so I can have it on the channel for you guys to reference to when you get a new pair of Jordans, man. So I'm gonna definitely do that for you guys. And right now, if you do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this quick review, quick little overview over the Air Jordan 5 top threes, man. Let's get it. So bam, check them out, Air Jordan 5 top threes. You guys already know how they look. I just want to do like a quick little, overview review, quick little review over the shoe, just to have it on the channel so you guys can come and see if you want to go and cop these things, man. Most of the reviews and on feeds get views over time. When people are like, bro, this shoe is super fire, I need to go back and get it. So they come and check out videos like this. So if you watch this on the replay, man, I appreciate you for pulling up. So check it out. You got the Air Jordan 5 grape tongue, and we have the grape 5s right here so you guys can check it out. Boom, boom. Same exact tongue on both these things. The only thing different between the tongues is the back, man. On the Air Jordan 5 top 3s, you have the names metallic, you got fire red, and you have grape at the top right there. This one, of course, it only has Air Jordan right here. Check it out with the turquoise back, man. But pretty much the same exact tongue. And of course, these grape 5s is one of the best 5s to release. That's in my opinion, and probably in a lot of other people's opinion as well, man. So it's very dope for them to throw this on the top 3 Jordan 5. And I do believe this is the only hit that the top 3s has as far as the grape 5s, the tongue, man. And like I was saying, guys, in the pickup vlog, they have pretty much the same upper as the metallic 5s, which you have right here, man. Same exact quality. I don't see any differences. And these released back in 2017, I believe. Of course, you got the Nike Air on the back, so boom, check that out. And the metallic is a part of this Air Jordan 5 top 3. So I'm guessing just pretty much the whole upper of the shoe is based off the metallic 5s, and it also has the same exact shark teeth right there on the side. Check out the top 3 5s right here, and then the metallic 5s have the same exact, you know, cement shark teeth on the midsole. And they both have a white Nike Air on the back of the top 3 5s and the metallic 5s right here. And then last but not least, it has the fire red hits. I only have the white pair, but I do think that the black tongue Air Jordan 5 fire reds is the fire reds that it is referencing to on the back of the tongue. But I do have the pair that just released recently. Check them out right here, man. Nike Air on the back. Of course, you got the red guts in there. The back of the tongue is red, stuff like that. But I do believe on the black tongue fire red 5s, they have the same red midsole right here. And of course, they both have that translucent blue outsole right there. And I didn't even peep this out. It has the turquoise Jumpman right here, and the grape 5s have the same exact Jumpman on the outsole. Of course, these things did come with the little pacifier lace lock right here. Check it out. Has Nike on one side and the Jumpman on the other side of this lace lock right here. These Jordan 5 top 3s do not come with any extra laces, which a lot of people were trying to see what other laces you can put on there. I can definitely lead you to the right direction. Go check out Jay, the sneaker guy. He pretty much does lace swaps with every single release. So if you want to switch it up, see what kind of laces you should throw in these top 3 5s, go check out Jay, the sneaker guy. And probably my favorite part of these top 3 5s is the 2-3 on the side. This is my first Jordan 5 with the 2-3 right there. I really like it. I wish Jordan brand would have bordered it with like a turquoise or purple lining with a 2-3, but back behind the 2-3 is nothing but black stitching, man. But like I said, it would have been dope. It would have popped a lot harder if they would have threw a different color behind the 2-3 on the side of these top 3s, man. You get your translucent cage on the outer of the shoe and on the inner. No color behind either side of these translucent cages on the side. And the air unit of these joints is translucent as well, man. No crazy colors in the air unit right there, as you can see. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for the little review, a little comparison between the top 3 Air Jordan 5 with the other top 3 colorways that Jordan brand has released in the 5 silhouette. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. Make sure you smash that like button right now for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. We're trying to get to that 40K by September 1st. Help your boy out by sharing, liking, and commenting something down below so we can get some interaction going down below in the comment section. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.